Good morning, students. Okay, so सर एक मिनट. Yes, it is Manisha. If I am audible to you, beta, I want to unmute you. You can raise your hand. Any one of you raise your hand. I will unmute. I want to confirm about certain things. Then we will proceed further. Okay. So any one of you, please raise your hand. Yes, this is Kritika.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. So 1 minute. Let me reduce. Yes, beta. So welcome to the school. You can see the school blackboard, right? So now we will start. Let me see the number of participants. Let the students, other students come in the class. Till now, tell me, I want to just confirm that I think we have done probability. I have done the topic probability with you. Yes or no? Kritika, beta, don't mute yourself until our conversation is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wait. Again, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So students, probability I have taken with you, and the assignment of this chapter, data handling. 4 questions I have covered in the tutorial video, and the rest of the questions which are in the assignment, that also I will be covering in the next tutorial video you will be getting on Friday, right? So now we are going to start with our third chapter of our syllabus, PT3, that is visualizing solid shapes. And let me tell you again that there are 3 chapters in your syllabus in this term PT3, that is algebraic expression, data handling, and visualizing solid shape. 2 chapters which are written in your syllabus, that is perimeter and area, and one more, triangle and its properties, that are being deleted, right? The both chapters are deleted from your syllabus, so you no need to do that chapters. There are 3 chapters in your syllabus, so this is the third chapter, visualizing solid shapes, right? And I think the students have not joined properly because this is my new ID and password. If any one of you are in contact with any of your friends, then you can tell them. I have messaged in the group yesterday also and in the morning also that you have to join with my new ID and password, right? So if you want to intimate your friends, then you can tell that them also. By chance वो suppose गलत ID और password से ही join कर रहे हैं, I think. So let us continue. Visualizing solid shapes. In visualizing solid shapes, we will study about the 2-dimensional figures and 3-dimensional figures. 2-dimensional figures and 3-dimensional figures. Now students, what are 2D figures? 2D figures are figures which have 2 dimensions. Figures which have 2 dimensions. Say that is length and breadth. From the word it is very much clear, two dimension means they are having two dimension. And then 3D figures, they are which are having three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. This is the general definition of 2D figures and 3D figures. Now we need to know how we will come to know which figure is 2D and which figure is 3D. Suppose beta you are having any page. I will take this page, just wait 1 minute. This is a rectangular page, right? It is having length and breadth. Suppose I paste this page on the board. When I paste this page on the board, it is completely pasted over the board. इसका कोई भी portion जो है वो बाहर नहीं आ रहा है, right? So it means this is what? This is 2D. This is 2D figure which is having length and breadth, right? Suppose I take this duster. This is this duster, right? It is having length and breadth. If I paste this duster on the board, when I pasted this duster on the board, I saw the portion. This portion is outside. ये जो portion है ये बाहर को है. इसका मतलब ये कौन सा figure है? ये है 3D. This is 3D figure, right? This is the general way to understand which is a 3D figure and which is 2D figure. Or in other way, there is one more method. 2D figure that, like suppose this is a rectangle. If I keep anything on this page, it will fall down. Okay? And 3D figure has certain volume. Volume मतलब जिसमें हम कुछ डाल सकते हैं. 3D figures has the capacity to fill something in it. ठीक है? अभी एग्जाम्पल करेंगे. 2D figures क्या होते हैं? It does not has the capacity. It does not has the volume. और 3D figures क्या होती हैं? It has the capacity to contain something. जैसे हमारा ग्लास, कोई भी बॉल, कोई भी क्यूबॉइडल फिगर जिसमें हम कुछ डाल सकते हैं, वो क्या होता है? उस फिगर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? 3D फिगर. उसकी लेंथ भी होती है, ब्रेड्थ भी होती है और सर्टेन हाइट भी होती है. अगर किसी में हम कुछ नहीं, जैसे ये है, इसमें मैं कुछ कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट डालती हूँ, आई पुट सम चॉक्स इन इट, ठीक है, अनलेस आई विल गिव, अगर मैं उसको ऐसे फोल्ड नहीं करती, अगर मैंने इसको फोल्ड कर दिया तो इट विल कंटेन सर्टेन शेप, या स्फीयर ऐसे बॉल बन जाएगा, या क्यूबॉइड, कोई शेप बनेगी तभी वो चीज इसमें रह पाएगी, अदरवाइज वो गिर जाएगी. सो इट मींस 2D फिगर डज नॉट हैव दी वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम मींस कैपेसिटी टू कंटेन समथिंग, एंड 3D फिगर हैज दी वॉल्यूम. दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द वे टू अंडरस्टैंड which are 2D figures and which are 3D figures. I hope it is clear. Fine. So the basic definition of 2D figures are figures which have two dimensions, that are 2D figures, and figures which are have three dimensions are 3D figures, that is length, breadth and height. Now we will do the examples of 2D figure and 3D figures. See beta. (2D figures), 3D figures. Examples. Examples of 2D figures and 3D figures. Basically, students, we have to learn about the 3D figures in this chapter, right? But I am telling you the 2D figures also, so that you can then see कि अगर 2D figure suppose हमारे पास है सर्कल, ठीक है, तो अगर सर्कल 2D फिगर में है तो 3D फिगर में क्या होगा? 3D फिगर में होगा स्फीयर. कैसे? अगर आपके पास सपोज कोई बैंगल है, बैंगल इज सर्कुलर, आप उसको घुमाते घुमाते रहते हो, तो इट विल, आप जब वो घूमेगा सर्कल तो आप देखोगे वो आपको दूर से, जब वो घूम रहा है तो आपको वो कैसी शेप नजर आएगी? इट विल लुक लाइक अ बॉल. इट विल लुक लाइक अ बॉल, और वी से दैट इट इज अ स्फीयर. इट इज अ स्फेरिकल फिगर. जैसे सर्कल है, सर्कल बैंगल, आप उसमें क्लोज्ड भी हो, अगर सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें कुछ डाल नहीं सकते, बट स्फीयर इज लाइक अ बॉल इन विच यू कैन पुट समथिंग. ठीक है. सो इफ सर्कल इज अ 2D फिगर एंड स्फीयर इज अ 3D फिगर, like rectangle, square. They are 2D figures, but if you rotate rectangle and square, you will form it as a cuboid. Now what is a cuboid? Cuboid क्या होता है वो उसकी डिटेल भी करवाऊंगी. क्यूबॉइड इज अ फिगर इन विच इज हैविंग डिफरेंट लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट. जैसे ये डस्टर, डस्टर क्या है? क्यूबॉइड, जिसकी लेंथ भी होती है, ब्रेड्थ भी होती है, हाइट भी होती है. ठीक है. और क्यूब, 1 मिनट, रेक्टेंगल से हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? क्यूबॉइड. स्क्वायर से क्यूब. Triangle is a 2D figure. If you rotate a triangle, you will see a cone, conical. जैसे एक triangle है, triangle को घुमाते जाएंगे तो it will look like a cone. Cone जैसे cap होती है हमारी, उस तरह से. ठीक है. So cone is a 3D figure. Then you have cylinder. Cylinder is also a 3D figure. You have to write all the names of these 3D figures also. So cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder. These are generally the examples of the 3D figures. Note down. Next students, next we will do the faces, edges and vertices of the 3D figures. Now see here. Next we will learn about faces, edges and vertices. Faces, edges and vertices. What do you mean by faces, edges and vertices? So I will take the first 3D figure, cuboid. पहले मैं आपको सारा समझा रही हूँ कि कौन से, जैसे क्यूबॉइड है, इसके क्या फेसेस होते हैं, एजेस, वर्टिसेस. आफ्टर वी विल डिस्कस द फेसेस, एजेस एंड वर्टिसेस ऑफ ऑल द 3D फिगर्स. वी विल मेक अ टेबल. टेबल होता है बेटा FEB, मींस F फॉर फेसेस, E फॉर एजेस एंड V फॉर वर्टिसेस. वी विल लर्न, वी विल मेक अ टेबल एंड देन वी विल लर्न. ठीक है. नाउ क्यूबॉइड. This is a cuboid. Cuboid is a figure which have length, breadth and height, and it has 3 dimensions. And in cuboid, all the 3 dimensions are different, or 2 dimensions can be same, but 1 dimension will be, the 3rd dimension will be different. Means all the 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height cannot be same. If all the 3 dimensions are same, then it will no longer be a cuboid. It will be a cube. It will be a cube. ठीक है. तो वो बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. क्यूबॉइड क्या है? It is a 3D figure with length, breadth, with, यहाँ लिख लो, with different length, breadth and height. ठीक है. Now we have to see about their faces, edges and vertices. Faces, edges and vertices. Now, how many faces does a cuboid has? See this book. This is also a cuboid. Cuboid है, इसकी ये लेंथ है, ये वाली ब्रेड्थ है बेटे, और ये क्या है? हाइट. राइट. सो this is an example of a cuboid. Your geometry box, that is also an example of a cuboid. Duster is also an example of a cuboid. Any kind of box if you take, that is also an example of a cuboid. Right. Now we have to learn about the faces, edges and vertices. Who can tell me how many faces are there in the cuboid? Anyone? Raise your hand. Anyone who can tell how many faces are there in the cuboid? Yes, Angel.
Six faces.
6 faces. Now Angel is saying
6 faces.
okay, Angel. Now let us see whether in a cuboid we have 6 faces or not. Faces मतलब बेटा जैसे ये one face, ये पीछे वाला दूसरा, 2 face, 1 and 2, then side one 3 and 4, and then top face and back face. So a cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. A cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. And now we talk about the edges. Edges का मतलब क्या होता है? Edges means बेटा ये जो lines होती हैं, these lines are known as edges. ठीक है, जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4. That I will explain you from here. This is a cuboid. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. ये height है. Edges कितनी है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges in a cuboid. So, or you can say edges मतलब जो line से ये cuboid बना है. There are 12 edges and vertices. Vertices means ये जो corners हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertices? 8 vertices. Fine. So next we will do the cube. Cube or cuboid. The only difference is in cube, all 3 dimensions are same. Length, breadth and height all are same. इसकी example, what is the example of a cube? Example बेटा जैसे ice cube, right? Or we can say die. Die मतलब जो लूडो खेलते हैं ना, वो जो डाइस होता है जिसके साथ हम खेलते हैं, die we can say, die we pronounce it as. So these are the examples of a cuboid or any figure which is having length, breadth and height same, that will be known as cube. इसके FE भी same ही होते हैं, 6, 12 and 8. 6, 12 and 8 because the figure will be the same. सिर्फ जैसे मान लो ये ऐसे हम बना सकते हैं क्यूबॉइड को. This is a cuboid having length, breadth and height different. This is a form of a cube we can say जिसकी same है. ठीक है, this is general example I have given to you. Cuboid और cube के बेटा FEV are same. Fine. The difference is in this all the 3 dimensions are not same, but in cube all the 3 dimensions are same. Anyone want to ask anything till now? Tell me. Then I will move to the next 3D figure. Yes, Anshika, your hand is raised. Beta, you want to ask anything? Just wait, I will unmute. Yes, Anshika.
सिलेंडर की 2D फिगर नहीं होती?
नहीं बेटा, सिलेंडर की 2D फिगर नहीं होगी ना. सिलेंडर इज अ 3D फिगर. सिलेंडर में we put, suppose there is a cylinder, उसमें हम गैस डालते हैं, it has some volume.
Yes sir.
It has some volume, उसमें हम कुछ डाल सकते हैं. Suppose we have a cylindrical container, like you have a tumbler. Tumbler is what type of? It is a cylindrical. उसमें आप पानी डालते हो, so it is 3D. ठीक है?
Okay मैम.
कोई भी बॉटल है, आप अपनी बॉटल इन बोथ द वेज आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. सपोज आपके पास कोई आपकी बॉटल है, सिलेंड्रिकल बॉटल या टम्बलर जो आप समर्स में लेकर आते हो स्कूल, उसको आप टेस्ट करोगे, यू विल सी दैट होल ऑफ द टम्बलर सारा तो नहीं टेस्ट हो जाएगा, उसका पोर्शन बाहर को आएगा बोर्ड से. It means from there it is clear it is a 3D figure. That is a general way to explain you. But the mathematically what we can say that as in a cylindrical container it has a volume, we can put something in it, therefore it is a 3D figure. Is it clear, Anshika?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now this is Pearl. Anshika, mute yourself. Yes Pearl.
Excuse me ma'am.
Yes bache.
Ma'am, can we write prism and pyramid in the examples of 3D figures?
Yes, we can write, beta. This is the general starting I am doing with the 3D figures. Further, now we are going to study more about the 3D figures, more 3D figures. Then we will study about the prism also and pyramid also, but to a little extent. As this is the starting in your class, so we will not study prism and pyramid in detail here. You will study that in the 8th class, but turn wise we will discuss. Now, right now I am going to discuss some more 3D figures, then we will discuss about prism and pyramid also, and they are also the examples of 3D figures only. Prism भी 3D figure होता है, pyramid भी 3D figure होता है. Okay? ठीक है बेटा? Okay. So now mute yourself. This is okay. This is Manasvi. Yes, beta Manasvi. Fine. So now next we will talk about cylinder only. This is a cylinder. Now we have to talk about its FE, faces, edges and vertices. Now, how many faces does a cylinder have? Suppose I will take the example of a chalk. Chalk is cylindrical. How many faces beta it has? It has 3 faces. ये top वाला, ये bottom वाला and this side face. इसको हम किसी तरह से भी देखेंगे, it will look the same. So how many faces does a cylinder has? 3 faces. 1, 2 and this one. 3 faces. How many faces? 3 faces, right? And how many edges? How many edges? Cylinder has 2 edges. Now we will see which are the 2 edges. This one. One this edge, curved edge. Cylinder के कौन से होते हैं? Curved edges होते हैं. एक ये और एक ये. Fine. And vertices. How many vertices? Vertices is 0. We don't have any vertex in cylinder. कोई corner नहीं होता हमारे पास. ठीक है, ये फेस है, ये फेस है, ये भी फेस है. सो इन अ सिलेंडर वी हैव नो वर्टेक्स, कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है, क्योंकि ये भी क्या है, दिस इज ऐसे सर्कुलर है. सो 3 फेसेस, 2 एजेस एंड 0 वर्टेक्स. फाइन. Next we have sphere. Sphere is 1 minute. A spherical ball, ठीक है ना. इसके कितने फेसेस होते हैं बेटे? कोई भी बॉल समझ लो, ऑरेंज. The examples of sphere can be any ball, basketball, football, orange, sweet laddu. Anything can be the example of a sphere. So now, how many faces does a sphere has? Sphere को किसी भी तरफ से देखोगे, ठीक है, so it will look same. So faces of a sphere is 1. Edges, उसका कोई corner होता है? No corner. So edge is also 0 and vertex is also 0. Sphere is a 3D figure which has only one face. It does not have any edge and it does not have any vertex. Such questions can come in the form of MCQ. Name a figure which have 0 vertex. तो जिसका कोई वर्टेक्स नहीं होता वो सिलेंडर भी हो सकता है, स्फीयर भी हो सकता है. आपने ऑप्शन में देखना आपके पास क्या है. नेम एमसीक्यू में भी आ सकता है बच्चे, 1 वर्ड में भी आ सकता है. नेम अ फिगर विच डज नॉट हैज एनी एज. सो एज जिसकी नहीं है वो क्या है? स्फीयर. ठीक है, तो इन फॉर आंसरिंग सच क्वेश्चन, what is important? The important is to learn about the faces, edges and vertices of all the 3D figure. Next we will talk about cone. Next we will talk about the cone. ठीक है, this is a conical figure, right? cone को हम इस तरह से बना लें, चाहे इस तरह से बना ले, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग, राइट? नाउ बेटा, हाउ मेनी फेसेस डज इट हैव? फेसेस, एनीवन कैन टेल मी हाउ मेनी फेसेस डज अ कोन हैज? सॉरी एंजल, 1 मिनट बेटा, यू कैन अगेन रेज योर हैंड, वो लोअर हो गया हैंड आपका. यस एंजल.
Ma'am, two faces, one outside and one inside.
Yes, it has two faces, one outside and one inside. देखो, you can imagine a cone in your mind. एक जैसे बर्थडे कैप आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो. फेस मतलब जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं. बाहर से हम एक फेस को टच कर सकते हैं, कोन को, जैसे ये इधर को बाहर से टच कर सकते हैं और अंदर वाली साइड से टच कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे मैं इस तरह से बनाएं कोन को. ठीक है, तो एक तो ये वाला जिसको हम बाहर से टच कर सकते हैं, एक पोर्शन कौन सा है जिसको हम अंदर से टच कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो हाउ मेनी फेसेस डज अ कोन हैज? 2. हाउ मेनी एजेस? एजेस बेटा, इट हैज दिस 1 edge. अ कोन हैज 1 edge. कौन सा एज है? ये वाला, ये कर्व्ड एज, जिस साइड से बंद हो रहा है उसको हम नीचे से बंद कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, या इधर से इसको कह लो ये एज, या फिर this can be say, if we draw figure like this then this is the edge, and if we draw figure like this then this is the edge. So a cone has 1 edge and 1 vertex. It has 1 vertex. Fine. So these are the basic 3D figures, right, whose FEV we have learned. Next we will talk about I think you have done this in 6th class also, right? Triangle, the 3D figures and the FEV of the 3D figures, right? Next we have beta triangular pyramid. There are so many pyramids, so many prism, but we will not discuss all the pyramid and prism. That I will, there is a general formula for the faces, edges and vertices for the pyramid and prism, that also we will discuss. उससे आपके पास कोई भी पिरामिड हो, कोई भी प्रिज्म हो, आप उसके एफईवी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. राइट नाउ हियर वी विल टॉक अबाउट द ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड. ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड के बेटा एफईवी क्या होते हैं? 4, 6 एंड 4. ये जनरल है जो यूजुअली डिस्कस करते हैं. ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड कैसे बनता है? एक ट्रायंगल बना लेते हैं बेटा, देन टेक एनी पॉइंट आउटसाइड एंड देन जॉइन दैट पॉइंट विद दी all the vertices of the triangle. This is a triangular pyramid. It has 4 faces. You have to learn this. It has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Right? Then बच्चे we have square pyramid. Square pyramid, we will make a square and we take again 1 point. Just wait, figure. Square we will draw, we will take 1 point and then we will join all the 4 vertices of a square with this, means this outside point with all the 4 points of the square. This is square pyramid, and square pyramid has how many faces? 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Fine. So these were the basic 3D figures which we have learnt about, right? Now next we will learn about, till now anyone want to ask anything? Yes, Manasvi. हाँ जी बेटा. Yes. Anyone want to ask anything? If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask, please. No doubt. Shall I proceed? So students, you have to make a table. ठीक है? I have discussed all FEV with you, the faces, edges and vertices of the basic figures. You will make a table like this. You will write figure, ठीक है? Suppose cuboid. Then you will write F, E and V. You will make a table like cuboid, cube and whatever we have discussed. Uske F, E, V. And always try to learn the faces, edges, vertices in a sequence. जैसे अपने माइंड में आप लर्न कर लो F, E, V. एक ही सीक्वेंस रखो कि फेस आपने जैसे मैंने सपोज ये है 6, 12, 8. 6, 12, 8. तो 6, 12, 8 मैंने लर्न किया हुआ FEV, 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 6, 12, 8, 6, 12, 8. सपोज पेपर में आपके पास आ जाता है हाउ मेनी फेसेस, वर्टिसेस एंड एजेस ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड आर, कि क्यूबॉइड के कितने फेसेस, वर्टिसेस और एजेस हैं. तो आपने ये नहीं लिख देना कि 6, 12, 8. दो तरीके हैं, या तो आप पूरा कंप्लीट आंसर दो अपने जो आपने लर्न किया हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग, दैट देयर आर 6 फेसेस, 12 ऐसे लर्न किया हुआ है ना आपने FEV, तो आप लिख लो साइड पे FEV 6, 12, 8. ठीक है? ऐसे आप आंसर दे सकते हो. देयर आर 6 फेसेस, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Sometimes the students write that answer is 6, 12 and 8. आपने आंसर दे दिया FEV के हिसाब से. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है FVE के हिसाब से, तो आपको जो उल्टा हो गया है V और E, एजेस और वर्टिसेस का जो नंबर उल्टा हो गया उसके मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. I hope it is clear what I am trying to explain, that if you are learning the sequence, the FEV in a sequence, FEV, then while giving the answer in exam, you have to write full that it is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. उल्टा पुल्टा नहीं लिख देना. Fine. So you will make the table yourself for the 3D figures: cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone. Then you can write triangular prism, pyramid, sorry, and then square pyramid. Fine. After that, we will study today Euler's formula. Euler's formula. Euler's formula is beta F plus V is equal to E plus 2. Write down, where F is number of faces, V is number of vertices, and E is number of edges in a 3D figure. Always in any 3D figures, always the Euler formula will be satisfied. जैसे suppose आपके पास कोई भी 3D figure है, let us talk about the cuboid. Cuboid के जो भी FEV हैं, आप देखोगे F plus V का सम हमेशा E plus 2 के इक्वल आएगा. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में वैल्यूज डालकर इक्वल आता है, इसका मतलब दैट इज द 3D फिगर. और अगर आंसर सेम नहीं आता है, दैट मीन्स द डायमेंशंस व्हिच वी हैव टेकन, उन डायमेंशंस को लेकर कोई भी 3D फिगर नहीं बनती. ठीक है? सबसे पहले आप ये लिखो यूलर्स फॉर्मूला, फिर इसके बाद आगे डिटेल में करते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला. इसके बेस पे बेटा क्वेश्चन आते ही आता है. कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं वी विल डिस्कस. So you need to write the formula in your fair notebook. So now what kind of question can come? Verify say 3D फिगर बेटा कोई भी आ सकती है, क्यूबॉइड, क्यूब, सिलेंडर, ट्रायंगुलर, पिरामिड, ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म, एनी. General formula for prism and pyramid we will discuss it later. First of all we will study about this Euler formula. कहते हैं Euler's, verify Euler's formula for cuboid. Now they are talking about cuboid. So first of all you need to write the faces, edges, vertices of the cuboid. हमने लिखा cuboid FEV. So such question comes in 3 marks. ये क्वेश्चन तभी सही होगा अगर आपको फेसेस, एजेस और वर्टिसेस अच्छे से लर्न है. 6 फेसेस, 12 एजेस एंड 8 वर्टेक्स. ये आपने लिख दिए इसके FEV. Now Euler's formula is F plus V is equal to E plus 2. Now we have to verify it. Verify means we have to substitute the values in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. After that we will see that whether the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So now left hand side हमारे पास क्या है? F plus V. Faces 6, vertex कितने हैं? 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Right hand side is E plus 2. Edges are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So, I hope it is visible. इसके बाद मैं ऊपर लिख देती हूँ. Fine. So we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Hence verified. So we have verified the Euler's formula for cuboid. You just note down beta, and if anyone want to ask anything, you can ask. Fine. Now, another type of question can come. Is there any 3D figure with F6, V9, E9, V2? General. I have taken any number of faces, any edges. हमने बताना है कि क्या ऐसा कोई 3D figure होता है. अभी I have told you that if the Euler formula is satisfied by the given FEV, then there is a 3D figure with such faces, such edges and such vertices. Otherwise not. आपको FEV दिया है, आपने देखना है कि Euler formula satisfy हो रहा है कि नहीं. You will write Euler formula is F plus V is equal to E plus 2. This also you have to learn it. F plus V is equal to E plus 2. F plus V is equal to E plus 2. FV E2. FV E2. बीच में plus. In this way you have to learn. Now left hand side. F plus V. 6 plus 2. 8. And beta right hand side. E plus 2, that is 9 plus 2, 11. Now you can see that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, there is no such figure, no such 3D figure having these faces, these edges and these vertices. You will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, there is no 3D figure, या ऐसे लिख सकते हो, this is not a 3D figure. Given FEV के साथ हमारे पास कोई 3D figure नहीं बनती because it is not satisfying the Euler's formula. Fine. So beta time is running out, right? So you need to revise. The homework is to make the table. 2D figure, 3D figure की definition लिखने के बाद you have to make the table for the FEV and then you have to write the Euler's formula also in your fair notebook. Right? Tomorrow we will continue with this chapter. Yes, Pranjali, beta. Yes, Pranjali.
मैम मुझे ये वाला क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया.
ये वाला question? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We will discuss this question tomorrow again. I will take one more example, बच्चे. As now the time is running out, there is the next class also. So we will discuss this question tomorrow. Fine? Okay, Pranjali?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes.
So take care.